How to fix Warzone discrete error 5.0 and 3.1 on Windows PC. 1. Install all Windows updates. 2. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Temporarily disable your antivirus. 4. Disable the Sonic. Studio Virtual Mixer from running with your system. Hint, you may try disabling that item in Device Manager as well. 5. Delete cache files. See details below. 5.1. Every file ends with .cache at. See program files /Call of Duty Modern Warfare /main. 5.2 psid.dat at. Documents /Call of Duty Modern Warfare /players. 5.3 adv_options.ini at. Documents /Call of Duty Modern Warfare /players. 6. Rebuild your game files. 6.1 Delete all the files except folders via blizzardbattle.net client. Hint, you may locate the Warfare folder via Show in Explorer in blizzardbattle.net client. 6.2 Scan and repair your app.